Hey everyone, thanks for coming out. So I'm Logan from Web3 Foundation. I think Alex already introduced some of the things that I do, but I'm on the technical education team. So one of the things that I've done is worked as kind of an archivist on what has been the work done on Polkadot so far. And by doing that, created the wiki. So if you have any questions after the presentation or after today on Polkadot, that's a really great resource to answer any of your questions about the protocol. Today I'll be talking a bit about what Web3 Foundation is, what the Web3 mission is about, and how you can get involved a bit more with the Web3 mission. And we have a few ways to do that, through grants, through bounties, and through community support. So supporting events like this, and other initiatives that you might want to get started. Okay, so what is the Web3 mission? What is the Web3 Foundation trying to accomplish? What is the whole reason for the Web3 Foundation to exist? So the Web3 Foundation has been established to bring the Web3 vision to life. The current problem that we're trying to solve is that currently the multi-user systems are fragile and require huge overhead. And usually this overhead is accomplished by creating a centralized corporation to oversee these multi-user systems. So to solve this, we need some kind of robust way to get rid of this centralized piece. So a way for many users to transact and participate with each other without having this corporate body to exist. So Web3 protocols enable the creation of clear and extensible rules for efficient and inclusive market of services. So these are the decentralized protocols that blockchains enable. So Bitcoin enabled many people to transact with each other without a need for banks. Ethereum allowed developers to create applications without the need to maintain servers. Polkadot allows developers to create blockchains and to interoperate with other blockchains. So here's kind of how we view the stack of Web3. I won't really dive too deep into this right now, but this is available on the Web3 wiki, and you can go ahead and look at each of these pieces. So to find out more, you can go to web3.foundation. We have a Web3 wiki. I think this link is a little old. You can go to wiki.web3.foundation. And we also have socials. Some of the people we partner with are researchers, technology teams, so developers who are interested in building different pieces of this stack. And we also support the ecosystem through community initiatives. And the contributors are generally people who fit into one of those camps. So there's a ton of job openings. If you look into the Web3 Foundation and you like what they do, we're especially looking for a security lead. So someone who really knows their stuff about security and can basically secure all of our Web3 Foundation infrastructure. We also give grants. So if you're building one of these items, so bridges between an external chain and Polkadot, a parachain, wallets, applications, again, anything that would fall under the Web3 stack, we can give grants for that. So to now I'll show you guys a mini documentary about the last Web3 summit, and it I think it's pretty powerful in the mission. So yeah, it's a 10-minute video, and then I'll go into a bit more about Polkadot.